The episode opens with high tension as Saras finally makes his way back to Kumud after narrowly surviving Prashant and Mahesh's brutal attempt to silence him. Kumud is stunned when she sees him standing at the door, his clothes torn, his face battered, and blood stains marking the struggle he went through. Tears fill her eyes as she runs to him, holding him in disbelief. For a moment, she cannot decide whether to cry from relief or anger at the state he is in. Saras immediately urges her to close the curtains, warning that Prashant must not realize he has returned. Once inside, Saras wastes no time in revealing the shocking truth he uncovered. He explains how Prashant lured him into a trap, how Mahesh assisted him, and how their crimes were far darker than anyone had imagined. The most horrifying revelation comes when Saras tells her that Pooja, the girl everyone thought had simply disappeared, was murdered by Prashant. Her body was hidden inside Kumud's very own home, behind a cracked wall that Prashant cleverly repaired to cover up the crime. Kumud gasps in horror, her heart racing as she recalls the strange cracks and the uneasiness she had felt around Prashant before. Now, the pieces of the puzzle finally fit. Kumud, trembling with rage, asks Saras why Prashant would do something so monstrous. Saras explains that Pooja had discovered Prashant's deceitful nature, and rather than face exposure, he killed her. Kumud vows that she will not rest until Prashant is punished. Saras, weakened but resolute, tells her that they must act carefully, as Prashant is cunning and dangerous. As if on cue, Prashant arrives at Kumud's house, pretending to check on her well being. Danny, Kabir, and Anushka appear just in time, supporting Kumud in her act. Kumud introduces them as Saras brothers, and though Prashant tries to keep his composure, his eyes reveal his discomfort at their sudden presence. The group, pretending to be casual, begins laying the foundation of their plan, a plan designed not just to confront Prashant, but to break his confidence and make him expose himself. That night, the group swings into action. Kabir cleverly creates duplicate keys to Prashant's flat and sneaks inside to write chilling messages on his mirror. Danny and Anushka set up airy shadows and sounds, rattling his nerves. Anushka dresses in Pooja's old clothes and stands at his window like a ghostly figure, startling Mahesh into panic. Mahesh runs to Prashant insisting he saw Pooja alive. The fear deepens when Prashant receives phone calls where Anushka, posing as Pooja's spirit, warns him that until her last rites are done, her soul will not let him rest. Prashant tries to convince himself that it's his imagination, but Mahesh's growing terror convinces him otherwise. The two begin to argue, each insisting the haunting is real. Their paranoia worsens when Kumud herself appears before Prashant in disguise, accusing him of killing her and declaring that his sins will not stay hidden. By now, Prashant is visibly shaken, sweating and muttering to himself, while Mahesh is on the verge of breaking down completely. Meanwhile, in the midst of the tension, Saras and Kumud share emotional moments together. Kumud tends to his wounds and blames herself for doubting him earlier, but Saras reassures her that her love and support are what give him the strength to keep going. Their bond only deepens, and they promise to see justice served no matter what it costs. The haunting scheme continues relentlessly. Doors slam, voices echo, and airy notes appear around Prashant's flat. Mahesh is the first to crack, begging Prashant to confess, but Prashant, though terrified, insists they must hide Pooja's remains before anyone discovers them. This proves to be his undoing. Saras and the others, who have been secretly following them, watch as Prashant and Mahesh sneak to the godown late at night with tools, ready to dig up the skeleton. Just as Prashant begins to remove the remains, Saras and Kumud step forward with the police, Danny, Kabir, and Anushka by their side. The shocking sight of the skeleton being uncovered leaves no room for excuses. Prashant tries to run, but Saras blocks him firmly, declaring that he can no longer escape the truth. Kumud, her voice firm with righteous anger, tells Prashant that Pooja will finally get the justice she deserves. The police surround both men. Under the crushing weight of evidence and haunted by their own guilty minds, Prashant and Mahesh are forced to confess. Mahesh stammers and blames Prashant, while Prashant, trembling, admits the crime that he thought would never surface. The skeleton is recovered in front of everyone, sealing their fate. Prashant and Mahesh are arrested on the spot, their arrogance destroyed and their crimes exposed at last. The entire family breathes a sigh of relief when the news reaches them. Badima and the elders thank God for protecting Saras and Kumud and for bringing the hidden truth into the light. The episode closes on an emotional note as Saras and Kumud stand side by side, their hands tightly clasped. After so many trials, deceptions, and dangers, justice has been served. Pooja's soul can finally rest, and Saras and Kumud can move forward together, stronger, united, and victorious.